Hello and welcome to my channel, Arje, Kraków and Poland Experience. Today we will look at one of the bridges, many bridges on the Wisła River at Kazimierz. This one is the Father's Bridge, which is also known as the bridge for putting the lover's lock. It is at the crossroads of Podgórska and ulica Mostowa, which is the street of the bridge. Many people come here to declare their love by putting a lock on the bridge. And like 2 years ago, somebody decided to put some hanging statues, which we are able to see right now. I encourage all to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button to get notified whenever I'm uploading new videos. If you like this video, feel free to hit the like button and put your comments below. The bridge is connecting across, of course, the Wisła between the Kazimierz district and the Podgórska. Many locks from different sizes with the name of the lovers upon them. And we just hopped from Kazimierz to Podgórska. It's very close to the floating boats, which are actually restaurants. And people are walking back from the second path. This exhibition of floating statues is called Between the Water and the Sky. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed it. We are back to Kazimierz and Podgórska Street. Wishing you all a very pleasant day. Today is the 18th of January 2020. Bye bye.